What's going on, guys? This video I'm going to show you how to install a bidet. We picked up a bidet because of the coronavirus causing the mass shortage of toilet paper. So we got a few rolls left and I decided why not, perfect time to try it out. So this is highly recommended LUXE Bidet, the Neo 320. It's got a hot and cold hookup. So you can get it with just a cold hookup if you want. But looks pretty straightforward. This is everything unboxed. You got the bidet itself, the handle, hot, cold, with the pressure. Comes with wrenches, comes with some Loctite. You've got your cold hookup, your hot hookup. Everything's got gaskets in it. Your hot water hose and your cold water hose. So we're going to get it installed in the toilet, and I'm going to show you guys how simple it is. Alright, first thing we're going to do is turn off the cold and hot water. So we're going to reach down here and turn it to the right, the off position. Flush the toilet, get all that water out of there as much as you can. And then we're going to disconnect this hose here. So the end where the washer goes up. I want to face this towards the bidet, so out this way. And then use the provided wrenches to tighten it down. You don't want to get it super tight. You just want to get it, hand tightened, and then with a wrench a couple turns should be good. Then you want to throw this back on there, your supply line. Just get it snug. And while we're down here, we're going to go ahead and throw the cold water side connection on. And always make sure that it's got that, this is a screen, and it's got that washer in there. Okay, cold side is done. Now let's go hook up the hot side. Alright, we're under the sink now. 99% of the time the hot should be on the left side, so we're going to shut that off and disconnect it. Again, these lines only just need to be snug. They have that washer in there, and sometimes when you over tighten them it'll leak because it'll cause that washer to compress in there too much. We're going to install the hot side T adapter now, which is this one, has that barb fitting on it. Also make sure it's got that washer in there, very important. Also put a little thread locker, that supply tape, plumber's tape on the threads if you want. and just kind of angle it, get it snug and angle it where you need it. And then we're going to connect the supply or the hose going to your sink. Remember, this stuff just needs to be snug. Got my hose ran behind the vanity coming out. They supply you with about 10 feet of hose, so you're definitely going to need to cut some out. Leave yourself, plenty of extra, but you don't want it to be 10 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Probably cut about 4 foot off there. We're going to make the connection. It's got a nut that slides over the wire there. Just going to make sure that slides over that barb. Nice and good. And then just hand tighten that nut. And that's it for the hot water hookup. Alright, now we're going to install the actual bidet. So the first thing you need to do is pop your toilet seat off. And everyone's is different. You might need tools, you might not. Typically it's just a flathead screwdriver, or if you have a newer one, it's just by hand you can remove them. Just a bolt and a washer and a nut. Toilet seat to the side. Now we're going to install the bidet. So this sits just like that, and you can adjust these to line up with your bolt holes. It's got a little gasket in it. Kind of center it up on your toilet and line these up. Put the toilet seat on top of it and reinstall the bolts. Now we make the connections to the bidet. So again, make sure that these have the gasket inside of them before you hook them up. And on the back it's labeled cold and hot. And that is it. And now we're gonna turn on the water and check for leaks. Alright, so we're done with the installs. This is what it looks like when it's finished. Just going to give you a quick preview of how it works. So basically when you turn it on, that thing drops down, and I think you guys know the rest. So the controller is pretty basic. You've got your cold and hot, and you just pull back for the pressure. It's got a few different settings: wash, the nozzle cleaning, which just runs water under the nozzle, and then the woman selection, which is just I guess a different spray pattern. So I'll show you really quick. If we cut it on very gently, and I got blasted. It squirts, comes down, and just like that, goes back up when you shut it off. So that's it. Really simple install. Hopefully don't have to buy any more toilet paper, especially when there's none to buy. But hope this video helped, and good luck installing yours if you decide to pick one up. Guys got any questions? Let me know. Thanks.